In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Amazon Prime Video using filters, a feature that can help you find exactly what you're looking for more efficiently. If you've ever felt overwhelmed scrolling through endless titles, you're not alone. Let's dive into how you can navigate this platform with ease. First, you'll need to go to primevideo.com. Once you're on the web page, make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. This ensures that you'll be able to access all the features and content available to you. Now, if you're logged in and ready, look towards the top of the page to find the search bar. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities, letting you search for any movie or TV series you want. When you click the search bar, it's time to get specific about what you're looking for. Type in the name of the movie or series you're interested in, or even a general keyword if you're exploring options. Prime Video will then pull up a list of content related to your search term. But here's where it gets even more powerful, locating the filters option. In the search results area, look for the filters option. It's a small feature, but the impact it can have on your search experience is significant. By clicking on filters, you get the ability to narrow down your search criteria. You'll see options to choose from, including genre, video quality, or content type. These filters are incredibly helpful for tailoring the results to your preferences. For instance, if you're in the mood for a comedy, select the comedy genre. If video quality is important to you, you can opt for HD or 4K. Additionally, you can filter by content type to see only movies or only TV shows, depending on what you're in the mood for. Once you've set your filters, Amazon does the heavy lifting for you, presenting a curated list that matches your criteria. This refined search will save you time and enhance your viewing experience, making it much easier and faster to find exactly the type of content you're in the mood for. Remember, using these filters can drastically improve how you browse Amazon Prime Video. It's all about getting familiar with the features available to you and making them work for you. Now you're all set to search smarter, not harder, on Amazon Prime Video. Dive in and explore the vast library with newfound ease and precision. We hope you find this guide helpful and enjoy your viewing experience. Happy watching.